This is where the story ends. Whiskers didn't move. The lights dimmed slightly. The noise faded. Even the crowd looked away, like watching any longer would be unnecessary. It was over. He'd reached his limit. He'd lost. And then? What? No, that wasn't... Whiskers moved. Slowly. Unbelievably. He pulled himself up, one breath at a time. The room didn't cheer. It didn't gasp. It froze. The claw turned back, confused for the first time. And as Whiskers stood there, unsteady but upright, something changed. Not in the room, in him. Fear didn't come back. It was replaced by something colder. Something that didn't understand how to stay down. And for the first time, even I don't know what comes next.